felt like he's bigger than he is. Or he was. Oh God, what a big fish. I lost him. Yep. That was a big motherfucker, Russell. That was a big motherfucker, bro. God. I thought you lost it. I think so. Get the net. Oh, he's pulling too. God, no. Oh, please don't let me get out of that fucking grass. That's a nice fish. Please, please don't. I'll be still on there. I'm trying, bro. Oh, wait, no. Get him. No, get him. Oh, fuck. Look at that big bitch. Look at that big bitch. Yeah, baby. Yes. Look at that big fat ass fish, bro. Oh, yeah.
Big dude, with that big super badass fish. That's 5 pounds, baby. That's 5 right there. Big nice fat ass. Big nice fat one. Hit him on the frog too, dude. Darrell let him take it and he yanked the shit out of it. He wasn't getting off of that. Froggy baby. Still wouldn't jump at the water. Got it on camera. Oh, and this, I should have got it on camera with this. This is still